Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing of the new Ipsy February 2020 box. This box goes for $25 a month and you get, I believe, 5 full-size products. I always start with going through last month's box first. Today I'm going to be doing actually 2. I'm going to be doing the Ipsy Plus box, which is the one that I am actually opening, but I'm also going to go through the products from the Ultimate because I did not choose to get that box this month. So let's get started. Sorry about all the rashes. Again, I always try using something new in a box and it broke me out in a really bad rash this time. So let's go through the Ipsy Plus first. So last month, I didn't bring down some of the products from either of these boxes in case I haven't used them, so I'll just post a picture here along with the name and prices. But the first product was the Pearlie's Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. I have not tried this yet, so I don't have any opinion on it. I am going to be giving it a try very soon. I've been trying to let my face relax after this reaction, so I haven't really been using many of the skincare items that I have received lately, so that is why I don't know anything about that, but I am very excited to try that soon. The next product is from Nature's Cartle. It was the lipstick in 90s Nostalgia. I was that wrong. Anyways, I really like this. I had this in a weekly makeup basket at least 1 week, maybe 2. It's a very nice muted mauve brown, but it's a brown that I felt like I could pull off, which was nice because normally I can't wear brown lipstick, and this was a color that I felt I could pull off. So I was like, I enjoyed that. And that retails for $15, and that Pearlie's, I'm sorry if I didn't say, it was $58. The next thing that I received was this Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Liner in I'll Be Black. Retails for $11.99. As you can see, it's still wrapped up. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. I'll try it soon and I'll let you guys know when I actually do. The next thing is 2 highlighters. These are called the Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space Highlighter Duo in 1C and 1B. They retail for $18. I believe that is for both of them, and they were really nice. I had them in a weekly makeup basket, both of them for 1 week, and then I think I kept this 1C for an extra week because it was my favorite. They do feel kind of like, I don't know if you can see that shine. They do feel kind of like a cream, which I think is what, yes, cream to powder texture. One is a little bit darker than the other. One's here, one's down here. So as you can see, this one didn't work as well for my skin, but I think it might be really pretty if I get a tan or as an eyeshadow. So I really enjoyed these. I'm really happy to have those. All right, and then the last thing in the box was this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I actually had this in a weekly makeup basket for probably 3 of the weeks, and I just kept chickening out using it. It is very beautiful. It has a lot of rich red tones, which would have been a perfect month to use it, being that it's Valentine's month. I did finally end up using it twice. I actually really liked it. I love this color down here. I use that a lot. I love this light. It has like kind of a pink tint to it. And the other colors, I think, and I like this middle color. The other colors I think it's going to take me a little bit getting used to, but I definitely really enjoyed this, and I think I'm just going to be using this more as a palette that I pair with a more neutral palette. I think that's just the way it will work best for me, but I really did enjoy that. And this retails for $27. And then the bag that we had received was this cute marble with pink. It's all marble on one side, and then this side has the pink and marble. So I really like this bag. I'm excited to use that. That was everything in my Ipsy, what's it called? My Ipsy Plus. Now let's do the Ipsy Ultimate. Again, some of these products I did not bring down, so I'll just post a picture here. The first thing that I received was this Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. I didn't use this, again, because of this that I've been dealing with for a couple weeks. I haven't used really any of the skincare items that are in this box, but I will give it a try eventually. Maybe I'll go through all the things that I don't have down here. The next thing is This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I actually really enjoyed this. I ended up letting my daughter use it, who has a little trouble falling asleep, and she loves it. She seems to think it works, so whatever she thinks works, great. So she's actually been using it majority of the time. I did use it probably 3 or 4 times, and then she is taking it from there, but she's been enjoying it. I thought it smelled great. It does retail for $29, so I don't think I would repurchase that, but the next thing I received was the Havana Essential Day Moisturizer. Again, haven't used that because of rash. Then, okay, I have all that down here. The Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot. Haven't used that. The Eden Breeze Body Butter from Than. I did use that because I used it on my hands. I didn't bring it down here, but I really do like it. I think it smells great. I'm probably going to move that into my purse. The Essen Herb Tea Tree 90 Toner Pad. Again, I didn't use that because of my rash. I also used the Pretty Woman nail polish in Don't Be Jelly. I used this. I ended up passing it to my daughter because it didn't stay on my nails very long. I don't want to have to paint my nails every other day, even though I feel like I still do sometimes. It didn't stay on. I don't know if I have very oily nails. I don't know if that's weird or gross or normal, but I just feel like some nail polishes just slide right off, and that just happened to be one of them. It is a gorgeous color. It's a nice deep red purple. It has kind of a purple hue to it. Really like the color. My girls have been loving it, so there's that. Okay, now everything that I do have, I have the Yvette Daily Fresh Squeeze Sheet Mask Duo. I got the grape and the lychee, and this one's the lychee one. I actually ended up using the grape one last night, and it smelled so good. I didn't bring the paper down, but this one didn't have as good of a smell, which I love lychee, but the grape one smelled so good. These retail for, I don't know, I didn't write it down, and they don't have it in here. Oh no, they do. $8 for the set. And I don't know if I'd pay that, but I liked them enough that I probably would enjoy receiving them again. So there's that. The next thing that I got was a Farrah brush. It is the 160 face brush. It retails for $12. It is absolutely gorgeous. I did use it and I've already cleaned it. It cleaned really nice, especially the first time, and then I just re-cleaned it yesterday, and it cleaned up really nice. It got all the color off. I used it for blush. Worked really well. It wasn't anything like different from another makeup brush, but I love it. I will use it. I think it's great, and for $12, I feel like that's just a pretty good average price for a makeup brush, so very good. All right, the next thing that I got this month was the Balm Cosmetics Meet Matrimony Palette. I love this so much. I knew I would. It's all mattes, which is definitely up my alley, but I think I use this in 2 of my what is with that? My weekly makeup baskets, and I probably would have used it all month had I not wanted to try new stuff. It just worked so well. I love this. I'm actually going to be using it really again soon because I've missed using it, trying to use the other products, but I enjoyed this probably the most. It was probably the most used or loved palette that I received in January, so I really like that. And this retails for $42. All right, the next thing that I got was the Touch Flesh Highlighting Balm, and this I also had in a makeup basket, I think 2 weeks, for sure 1, but it could have been 2. It took me forever to use it. I think I was just more nervous because it looks like such a dark color, but I loved it. Again, it actually turned out so nice. It looks darker, especially than the other 2 that I've already swatched. But when I use a brush and just tap in it and put it on my face, I really like this. I'm Oh, I just dug my nail into it. I think it is a great color. It's definitely not as intense as it looks because I thought this definitely would not work for me, and it did. So this retails for $18. Would I repurchase it? Probably not. I would love to try it in a different color, a lighter shade, just to try. But I will enjoy it, so I'm happy to have it. I do have the pillow spray. It's right here. She must have brought it down when I asked. It smells so good. Anyway, sorry, there's that. And I do have the nail polish. I must have told her to bring them down. How funny. Here's the nail polish. So pretty. It definitely has kind of a purple hue to it, especially when you see it against my red nails. But the color is so nice. I wish this formula worked for me, but my girls have been enjoying it and like it, so. All right, then the last product is the Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in Sis. I did try this in a Get Ready With Me because I had it in my box, I think almost the whole month, and just kept not using it. And then I just thought, I'll just try it and I'll wipe it off. It was an absolutely gorgeous color. I think it's just something that I'm gonna have to wait to use in the fall. It's just not the type of color that I wear right now in the middle of winter. It's just too dark. And yeah, but I did like it. I thought the color was pretty. The formula was nice. It is drying, but that doesn't typically bother me like it does some people. So I liked it. Very good. What I liked the most this month though was definitely this bag. It is just so pretty. I didn't use it because I always leave my bags in the box until I go through them the next month, but I am so excited to use this. I think I'm going to use this when I travel in a little bit because it's pretty compact. I like how I can hold my brushes up here, and then it has, I don't know, it's so pretty. I love the marbled look, so this is definitely up my alley. So that was everything from both my Ipsy Plus and my Ipsy Ultimate for the month of January. All right, let's get into opening up the, I was gonna say January, the February Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Let's hope I got a card because I did not get one in my BoxyCharm this month. And I did not. I got a card, but there's absolutely no product information on it. I hope this is not normal. Ugh, I would have loved a product card. Let me make sure. Nope, it is not in here at all. Well, all right, so I did get the bag, which is this nice light pink, and it has kind of a nice purple inside. Feels kind of textured. Just a normal makeup bag. It is pretty. I'll enjoy it. I'll use it, or my girls will. I'll have to do my best in giving you the information up here. It's a total bummer. I do know that this is the product that I picked, which is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I picked this because I have used it before and really like it. It's probably one of my favorite sunscreens. It just is very expensive. Like I said, I'll have the price here for you to look at, but I'm excited to own this and I will definitely use it. The next thing that I got in my bag is the Il Maquillage ink liner. It's made in Germany in the color black. I feel like I've gotten a black liner in every bag every month. So I'm kind of over it just because I don't go through them that fast. But I mean, I didn't even open up this one last month and now I have another one. So I'm either gonna have to just gift these or figure out how to use them faster, I guess. The next product that I got is from a Tour Matte, I don't know, Belle in Argent, I don't know, I can't read it really. In the color 3 Plays. I don't know, maybe you guys can read that brand a little bit better than me, but I can't figure it out. So it actually is an absolutely beautiful packaging. Look at this. So pretty. It's super reflective, so you might not be able to see it. There we go. Look how gorgeous that is. So it is magnetic, which is always nice. And the color is so, so pretty. I am very excited that I'm not getting any unique, I'm not getting unique colors. I'm getting like everyday colors, which is what I would prefer. It's a little bit similar to, this is that 90s nostalgia that I got last month. So it's a little pinker, where that one's a little brown. It's a little nude, I get, a little more nude. But, so it's up here on top. So pretty. I'm so excited to try this color. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and a color that I definitely will wear. All right, the next thing that I got in my bag is from Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Love the packaging. I love the pink and the white. Very pretty. Again, don't know much to tell you, so let's see what it looks like. I'm assuming it's like a moisturizer. Do you have to rinse it off? Nope, you leave it on overnight. So it's like a really thick moisturizer. Let's see if it's open. It's not open, and because I'm having issues, I'm not gonna probably use it within the next week, so I don't want to open it yet, but I'll definitely give it a try as soon as everything heals up. But I do like sleeping masks. Don't use them all the time. I use them actually mostly like a moisturizer, but I'll definitely give this a try and we'll see what we think. All right, and then the last thing in the bag is from Dominic Cosmetics, which I am super excited because I actually love this brand. I tried my first palette from them. I don't know if it was from a BoxyCharm or from, I think it was from BoxyCharm or from Ipsy, but I have fallen in love with their shadows. They are so good. I haven't bought any palette on my own, but I definitely am tempted. I absolutely love the color story of this. It has just a nice spring vibe to it, which I love. I am like so excited to use this blue. I think this is a bluish purple that I could totally use. These pinks are gorgeous. These nude, like a nude and like a kind of a warm tan color is beautiful. This says Messy Bun, which is cute. It kind of looks like it's going to be black, but with like kind of a purple hue to it. So this is called, it looks like a sweater. I thought it was called Sweater Weather, but that's actually the name of this shade right here. So this is Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, and Messy Bun. But I want to say I heard someone call it the Sweater Weather palette, but I don't really see that on here. Anyways, very excited to try this out. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I did get 2 add-ons this month, mostly because I wanted the ultimate bag, which is what I wanted last month. Didn't know you could buy it separately. This bag is so much better than the one you get in this box, the plus. It feels like velvet. It's pink. It's very girly. It has that purple, same purple type color inside, but it also has the material that is easy to wipe out and clean, which is good. But I really wanted this, so I add this on to this box. And then the other thing that I added on was the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation, and I got it in the color Light. They really didn't have many colors to choose from. It was like fair, light, medium, dark. I mean, they had a couple others maybe, but generally light will work for me. It's usually just whether it is a cool or a warm undertone. So that is everything that I got in my box this month. I think it looks like a great box. I'm excited that I didn't get the ultimate, only because that's just so many products to use or to try in 1 month's time that I feel like maybe every quarter I would get that box. Maybe that would be nice, but as far as this $25 box, I just feel like it's such a great value. I'll have the total value here, but I feel like it's a good value for what you get, and I am not disappointed with anything. The only thing that I would be like switch out if I could would have been the black liner, but I will use a black liner, so it's not like it's going to get wasted at my house. But everything else I am super excited to try out. And I got 5 products, so must be 5 full-size products. Let me know if you get this box. What did you get that was different? What do you like? What are you excited to use? And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.